हेलो दोस्तों 2000 एमसीक्यू सीरीज लेकर आया हूँ मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट नर्सिंग एंड फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम एंड वाइवा के लिए। ये फर्स्ट पार्ट है, तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु वाज इन्वेंटेड माइक्रोस्कोप? ऑप्शन ए लियोनहॉक, ऑप्शन बी पास्tur, ऑप्शन सी कोच, ऑप्शन डी जेनर, ऑप्शन ई लैंडस्टेनर, option F Antonevan. Right answer is option F Antonevan. Next question. Commonly target cell of HIV are option A T4 lymphocytes, option B monocytes, option C neutrophils, option D none of these. Right answer is option A T4 lymphocytes. Next question, who is the father of bacteriology? Option A Landsteiner, option B Lister, option C Robert Koch, option D Lamarck, option E A.V. Leeuwenhoek. Right answer is option C Robert Koch. Next question, the antiseptic process was first demonstrated by option A Louis Pasteur, option B Lord Lister, option C Edward Jenner, option D Levinovsky. Right answer is option B Lord Lister. Next question, smallpox vaccination discovered by option A Robert Koch, option B Lister, option C Edward Jenner, option D Louis Pasteur. Right answer is option C Edward Jenner. Next question, compound microscope was discovered by option A Johnson and Hens, option B Pasteur, option C none, option D Anthony Van. Right answer is option A Johnson and Hens. Next question, who is the related person with medical microbiology? Option A Pasteur, option B Jenner, option C A.L. Hook, option D Koch, option E Weiner. Right answer is option C A.L. Hook. Next question, which material is used in electron microscope as an objective lens? Option A superfine glass, option B magnetic coils, option C photons, option D copper, option E aluminium. Right answer is option B magnetic coils. Next question, antiseptic method first introduced by option A Edward Jenner, option B Bejernik, option C Pasteur, option D Jenner. Right answer is option B Bejernik. Next question, tuberculosis related with option A waterborne disease, option B airborne disease, option C sandfly-borne disease, option D none of these. Right answer is option B airborne disease. Next question, source of electron in electron microscope is option A tungsten metal, option B electric lamp, option C mercury lamp, option D A and B. Right answer is option A tungsten metal. Next question, the resolution power of compound microscope is option A 0.2 micron, Option B 0.2 semi. Option C 0.3 angstrom. Option D 0.2 decimeter. Right answer is option A 0.2 micron. Next question. What is the extent of microbial species to produce disease? Option A pathogen. Option B virulence. Option C infection. Option D A and B. Right answer is option B virulence. Next question. Monoclonal antibodies are related with the name of option A Barnett, option B Medor, option C Owen, option D Carl Landsteiner. Right answer is option A Barnett. Next question. Motility study of hanging dwarf first introduced by option A Leeuwenhoek, option B L. Pasteur, option C A and B, option D Jenner, option E Robert Koch. Right answer is option A Leeuwenhoek. Next question. Question number 15. Highest magnification of electron microscope is option A 2 lakhs x, option B 200x, option C A and B, option D 2000x, option E 400x. Right answer is option A 2 lakhs x. Next question. Pasteur conducted fermentation experiment on option A fruit juice, option B milk, option C food, option D A and C. Right answer is option A fruit juice. Next question. Phagocytosis was discovered by option A Elie Mechnikov, option B J Lister, option C Pasteur, option D A and C. Right answer is option A Elie Mechnikov. Next question. Causative organism of tuberculosis is option A coronary bacteria, option B diphtheria, option C Mycobacterium tuberculosis, option D parasite. Right answer is option C Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Next question. Electron microscope was discovered by option A Knoll and Ruska, option B Leeuwenhoek, option C none of these, option D A and B. Right answer is option A Knoll and Ruska. Next question. What is the source of light in fluorescence microscope? Option A sunlight, option B mercury lamp, option C both A and B, option D electric bulb. Right answer is option B mercury lamp. Next question. What is the measuring process of virulence of a pathogen? Option A LD, option B MLD, option C ID, option D A, B, C, all of these. Right answer is option D A, B, C, all of these. Next question. Which enzyme act as a spreading factor? Option A hyaluronidase, option B catalase, option C amylase, option D DNase. Right answer is option A hyaluronidase. Next question. Which disease was discovered by Mechnikov? Option A HIV, option B cholera, option C dysentery, option D smallpox. Right answer is option B cholera. Next question. Robert Koch was discovered. Option A cholera, option B tuberculosis, option C measles, option D AIDS. Right answer is option B tuberculosis. Next question. Hansen was discovered by. Option A Mycobacterium leprae, option B tuberculosis, option C meningitis, option D smallpox. Right answer is option A Mycobacterium leprae. Next question. Louis Pasteur was associated with. Option A Streptococcus pneumoniae, option B tuberculosis, option C cholera, option D A and B. Right answer is option A Streptococcus pneumoniae. Next question. Robert Koch is related with here. Option A Bacillus anthracis, option B Staphylococcus, option C tuberculosis, option D leprae. Right answer is option A Bacillus anthracis. Next question. Staph aureus isolated by. Option A Louis Pasteur, option B Edward Jenner, option C Robert Hooke, option D A and C. Right answer is option A Louis Pasteur. Next question. Pseudomonas aeruginosa was named by. Option A Soter and Gressard, option B Louis Pasteur, option C Robert Koch, option D B and C. Right answer is option A Soter and Gressard. Next question. Treponema pallidum was discovered by. Option A Sordin and Hoffman, option B Robert Koch, option C Pasteur, option D C and D. Right answer is option A Sordin and Hoffman. Next question. Neisseria gonorrhea was first described by. Option A Pasteur in 1878, option B Neisser 1880, option C Landsteiner 1939, option D Robert Koch 1800. Right answer is option A Pasteur in 1878. Next question. RH factor of the blood grouping system was discovered by. Option A Carl Landsteiner, option B Wiener, option C A and B, option D A L Hook, option C Pasteur. Right answer is option C A and B. Next question. Quinine sulfate and aramide is used for the purpose of. Option A fluorescent microscope, option B compound microscope, option C light microscope, option D B and C. Right answer is option A fluorescent microscope. Next question. Who was produced endotoxin? Option A gram positive bacteria, option B gram negative bacteria, option C cocci, Option D, A and B. Right answer is option B, gram-negative bacteria. Next question, the anthrax disease was infected from option A, rat, option B, goat, option C, cattle and sheep, option D, both A and B. Right answer is option C, cattle and sheep. Next question, which color is matched for colony on McConkey media by Pseudomonas? Option A, pink, option B, pale color, option C, green colored, option D, A and B. Right answer is option B, pale colored. Next question, which stain used to detect metachromatic granules corynebacterium? Option A, Gimsa, option B, Albert stain, option C, AFB stain. Right answer is option B, Albert stains. Next question, darting movement seen in option A, cholera vibrio, option B, Entomeba histolytica, option C, blood dysentery, option D, B and C. Right answer is option A, cholera vibrio. Next question, DNA or RNA contained in option A, bacteria, option B, parasite, option C, virus, option D, A and B. Right answer is option C, virus. Next question, protein contained in bacterial villi. Option A, bacterial villi, option B, bacterial chili, option C, bacterial cell, option D, A and B. Right answer is option A, bacterial villi. Next question, relation with bacterial ribosome are following. Option A, protein and RNA, option B, DNA, option C, cRNA, option D, B and C. Right answer is option D, B and C. Next question, infected disease caused by Corynebacterium diphtheria. Option A, diphtheria, option B, pneumonia, option C, cholera, option D, B and C. Right answer is option A, diphtheria. Next question, botulism found in option A, foodborne, option B, waterborne, option C, airborne, option D, A and B. Right answer is option A, foodborne. Next question, airborne disease matched with following. Option A, encephalitis, option B, influenza, option C, typhoid, option D, B and C. Right answer is option B, influenza. Next question, Widal test is matched with the option A, influenza, option B, jaundice, option C, typhoid fever, option D, A and B. Right answer is option C, typhoid fever. Next question, Klebsiella bacillus known as option A diphtheria bacillus, option B Klebsiella, option C E. coli, option D B only. Right answer is option A diphtheria bacillus. Next question, Entomoeba histolytica causative agent of option A amoebic dysentery, option B cholera, option C A and B, option D bacillary dysentery. Right answer is option A amoebic dysentery. Next question, iodine used in gram stain for option A color, option B mordant, option C segregation, option D A and B. Right answer is option B mordant. Next question, must be present for parasitic from option A cell wall, option B flagella, option C capsules, option D B and C. Right answer is option A cell wall. Next question, non-motile cocci are following option A meningococcus, option B gonococcus, option C staphylococcus, option D A and B. Right answer is option D A and B. Next question, formation of interferon are option A lymphocytes, option B fibroblast, option C lymphoblast, option D A and B and C, option E only B. Right answer is option D A and B and C. Next question, spirochete found in option A streptococci, option B gonococci, option C Treponema pallidum, option D A and B. Right answer is option C Treponema pallidum. Next question, which is one motile bacteria? Option A Salmonella typhi, option B Shigella, option C Klebsiella pneumonia, option D B and C. Right answer is option A Salmonella typhi. Next question, the size of virus is option A 0.015 to 0.2 im, option B 0.1 to 0.1 im, option C 0.6 to 10 im, option D B and C. Right answer is option A 0.015 to 0.2 im. Next question, bacterial cell multiplication occurred by option A binary fission, option B meiosis, option C mitosis, option D A and B. Right answer is option A binary fission. Next question, rod shaped bacteria are like as option A cocci, option B bacilli, option C coliform, option D A and B. Right answer is option B bacilli. Next question, the component of gram positive bacteria are option A teichoic acid, option B HCl, option C H2SO4, option D B and C. Right answer is option A teichoic acid. Next question, polypeptide are found in option A bacterial cell, Option B, bacterial wall. Option C, spore of bacteria. Option D, bacteria capsule. Right answer is option D, bacterial capsule. Next question. Identifications of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria are: option A, shell wall. Option B, nucleus. Option C, membrane. Option D, A and B. Right answer is option A, shell wall. Next question. Bacterial locomotion are associated with: option A, fimbria and flagella. Option B, cilia. Option C, pseudopodia. Option D, A and B. Right answer is option A, fimbria and flagella. Next question. Polymetaphosphate is composed by: option A, metachromatic C granules. Option B, teichoic acid. Option C, HCl. Option D, fimbria. Right answer is option A, metachromatic C granules. Next question. Bacterial spores are associated with: option A, strongly acid fast. Option B, weakly acid fast. Option C, moderate acid fast. Option D, A and B. Right answer is option B, weakly acid fast. Next question. Malachite green are associated with the following: option A, endospore. Option B, capsules. Option C, cell wall. Option D, A and B. Right answer is option A, endospore. Next question. Which of the following stain is used for gram stain? Option A, grams iodine. Option B, methylene blue. Option C, hematoxylin. Option D, A and C. Right answer is option A, grams iodine. Next question. Which of the following percentage of alcohol is used for gram stain smear? Option A 60%, option B 20%, option C 50%, option D 90%. Right answer is option D, 90%. Next question. The color of gram-positive bacteria is: option A, violet. Option B, pink. Option C, green. Option D, A and B. Right answer is option A, violet. Next question. The color of gram-negative bacteria is: option A, pink. Option B, green. Option C, violet. Option D, black. Right answer is option A, pink. Next question. Mainly used for decolorizations of cell during gram staining. Option A, HCl. Option B, H2SO4. Option C, alcohol or acetone. Option D, A and B. Right answer is option C, alcohol or acetone. Next question. Lipid content found in: option A, gram positive bacteria. Option B, gram negative bacteria. Option C, A and B. Option D, Treponema pallidum. Right answer is option B, gram negative bacteria. Next question. The name of large virus is: option A, rhabdovirus. Option B, pox virus. Option C, HIV virus. Option D, A and B. Right answer is option B, pox virus. Next question. The name of small virus is: option A, HIV. Option B, rhabdovirus. Option C, pox virus. Option D, H5N. Right answer is option B, virus. Next question. Urea decomposed by option A, nitrocomonas, option B, proteus, option C, micrococcus, option D, A and C. Right answer is option D, B and C. Next question. The total number of gene group called option A, gene pool, option B, genome, option C, DNA, option D, chromosome. Right answer is option A, gene pool. Next question. Phagocytosis associated with option A, basophils, monocyte, option B, macrophage, option C, neutrophils, option D, A and B. Right answer is option D, A and B. Next question. Reservoirs for cholera. Option A, horse, option B, cow, option C, man, option D, A and B. Right answer is option C, man. Next question. Which of the following are acid-fast bacteria? Option A, Microbacteria, option B, Neisseria, option C, Streptococcus, option D, A and B. Right answer is option A, Microbacteria. Next question. Mycobacteria tuberculosis associated with the option A, GL Liechtenstein, option B, Gramstein, option C, Albertstein, option D, B and C. Right answer is option A, GL Liechtenstein. Next question. Lophotychus bacteria are option A, Microbacteria, option B, Spirilla, option C, Streptococcus, option D, A and B. Right answer is option B, Spirilla. Next question. Coagulase test done for option A, typhoid, option B, pneumococcus, option C, staphylococcus, option D, Shigella. Right answer is option C, staphylococcus. Next question. HIV virus associated with option A, chlamydia, option B, retrovirus, option C, rado, option D, herpes virus. Right answer is option B, retrovirus. Next question. Window period of HIV virus is option A, 10 days, option B, 20 days, option C, 45 days to 90 days, option D, 1 year, option E, C and D. Right answer is option C, 45 days to 90 days. Next question. HIV infection in blood happens in option A, DNA polymerase, option B, RNA polymerase, option C, reverse transcriptase, option D, only B. Right answer is option C, reverse transcriptase. Next question. Which test is specific for detection of HIV or AIDS? Option A, Western blot, option B, rapid Coombs test, option C, ELISA, option D, only C. Right answer is option A, Western blot. Next question. Window period means option A, after 10 years of HIV infection, option B, after 1 year of HIV infection, option C, interval period between HIV infection and presence of HIV antibodies in serum. Option D, only C. Right answer is option D, only C. Interval period between HIV infection and presence of HIV antibodies in serum. Next question. Common infection for HIV or AIDS is option A, pneumocystis gonorrhea, option B, syphilis, option C, CMV, option D, B and C. Right answer is option A, pneumocystis gonorrhea. Next question. HIV virus infect the cells. Option A, CD3, option B, CD2, option C, CD1, option D, CD4 lymphocytes. Right answer is option D, CD4 lymphocytes. Next question. Zn stain for AB is option A, differential stain, option B, simple stain, option C, modified stain, option D, B and C. Right answer is option A, differential stain. Next question. Large protozoa. Option A, T. vaginalis, option B, E. coli, option C, B. coli, option D, A and B. Right answer is option A, T. vaginalis. Next question. Monotricate is option A, one flagellum attached with one end of the organ, option B, two flagellum attack with two end of the organ, option C, none of these, option D, only A. Right answer is option D, only A. Next question. Arbo virus associated with option A, malaria, option B, filaria, option C, dengue, option D, encephalitis. Right answer is option C, dengue. Next question. Choice of Lysol is used as option A, disinfectant, option B, sterilizer, option C, antiseptic, option D, B and C. Right answer is option A, disinfectant. Next question. Temperature that kills all cells in a given time called option A, normal death, option B, thermal death, option C, cold death, option D, only B is correct. Right answer is option D, only B is correct. Next question. Ilex gel diffusion test is option A, diphtheria toxin, option B, cholera toxin, option C, Cl tetani, option D, A and B. Right answer is option A, diphtheria toxin. Next question. Pasteurization temperature is option A, below 100 degrees Celsius, option B, 140 degrees Celsius, option C, 160 degrees Celsius, option D, 160 degrees Celsius. Right answer is option A, below 100 degrees Celsius. Next question. Gamma ray is option A, sun rays, option B, longitudinal radiation, option C, UV radiation, option D, A and B. Right answer is option C, UV radiation. Next question. Enriched medium is option A, chocolate agar, option B, serum agar, option C, blood agar, option D, A and B. Right answer is option C, blood agar. Next question. 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Which of the following instrument is used? Option A, incubator, option B, hot air oven, option C, colorimeter, option D, thermometer. Right answer is option B, hot air oven. Next question. Virus cultivated on option A living cells, option B simple media, option C Maconchi agar, option D Elge media. Right answer is option A living cells. Next question. Robertson cooked meat medium is option A aerobic medium, option B anaerobic medium, option C enriched medium, option D A and B. Right answer is option B anaerobic medium. Next question. Wilson and Beer's medium is option A enriched medium, option B indicator medium, option C anaerobic, option D B and C. Right answer is option B indicator medium. Next question. Spores are destroyed by option A glutaraldehyde and autoclave, option B 90% alcohol, option C 70% alcohol, option D 65% alcohol. Right answer is option A glutaraldehyde and autoclave. Next question. Isolation means option A separation of a single colony, option B attach to other colony, option C spreading of colony, option D stacking of colony. Right answer is option A separation of a single colony. Next question. Incubation means option A growth period of culture at optimum temperature, option B stacking period, option C colony count, option D B and C. Right answer is option A growth period of culture at optimum temperature. Next question. Moist, heat, steam and pressure are associated with the instrument. Option A filter, option B autoclave, option C radiation, option D B and C. Right answer is option B autoclave. Next question. Formaldehyde and glutaraldehyde are option A most weak disinfection, option B most powerful aldehyde, option C only A, option D A and B. Right answer is option B most powerful aldehyde.